Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I get my wigs jet black. It's a very simple process, but first we're going to start with boiling some hot water. While that is boiling, I'm going to start prepping everything. This is going to be a custom glueless unit with a 4x4 closure. So if you guys want to see how I machine sew my wigs, definitely comment down below. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, it's voiceover time. So right here you guys see me unraveling the bundles, and I do this to make sure that it gets saturated very good with the product that I'm using, so I won't have any patches. Even though the colors are very similar, I still want to unravel them and make sure that the bundles get fully saturated. And these bundles are available on my website and are under my bundle deals, so I'm gonna leave the description in the description box down below. So these are 3 full bundles that I'm using, and as you guys see, it's kind of like a natural brown right now. Make sure you guys use gloves, of course, for safety reasons, and so your hands don't get colored and look ugly. Since I am using box dye, the process is very simple. I would just definitely follow the recommendations on the box, and I am using 2 boxes for 3 bundles and a 4x4 closure. So as you guys see me here, I'm just mixing the product up, and I like to get all of my products. So we're gonna empty that bottle out and let it sit for a little bit. I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand. Are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. So after mixing in the product, I do go ahead and pull my closure out. This will be the last thing that I'll work on, but as you guys see, I'm using water to spray back any flyaways, and I do not bleach the closure before coloring it. I go ahead and add some conditioner on the back of it so that I don't color the knots, because you want a natural seamless install, and if them knots are black, it's gonna be giving synthetic, and we don't want synthetic. So at right here, I'm pouring hot water. I'm not pouring a lot. Even though I'm using 3 bundles, I barely filled that bin up, and I went ahead and started adding my product in there. And as you guys see right here, I'm just starting to saturate the bundles and mix them in. So I'm just taking my time and saturating these bundles one by one, and I also go through with a detangling brush, and I make sure that the product gets built in, not built in, it just gets saturated inside of it. And right here you guys are going to see the difference. The product is already working in, and it's doing a really good job. I like how it's turning out, so I just keep moving forward. And make sure you guys are starting from the bottom of the tip of the hair all the way back up to the roots, just to create less of a mess. And I'm changing my gloves because we're going to start working on that closure. Definitely take your time when doing your closure and make sure that conditioner is pushed all the way through. So right here, I start off with a detangling brush, and I'm just combing the product through.
I left a lot of product in the bottle because I did not want to dip it into the liquid. I wanted to manually color onto them. And as you guys see, I switched to a rat tail comb so I can actually go through and comb the frontal, the closure or whatever. And there's no dye or anything on the back side. Clear. When cleaning up hair dye or anything, use alcohol, guys. It does a really good job, and it's better to do it immediately after you're done working. As you guys see, I'm just rubbing my fingers in it too because it was a hole in my glove.
That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in. No, you know how this shit go. You got to.
And this is the final results. I let them dry overnight and I customize it on a sewing machine. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much.